Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make cucumber cups, which is basically a cucumber salad stuffed with delicious toppings or any other toppings of your choice. Also, these cucumber cups are not only healthy but also quick and easy to make and are great to enjoy as snacks or appetizers during the summers. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. So to make cucumber cups, I have taken here one English cucumber. First cut both the ends and then cut lengthwise into 2 inches approximately. Next, take a sharp knife and with the edge of the knife, we need to dig the center of the cucumber cups in a circular way so as to hollow the cups. And in the same way, I will dig rest of the cucumber cups. But be careful as we don't want to dig till the outer or bottom part of the cups. Otherwise, the cups won't be filled with the toppings. So in this way, we need to prepare the cucumber cups. So all my cucumber cups are ready and we are not going to discard the cucumber pulp which we have digged out. I'll finally chop them and use them in the stuffing. So here are the ingredients for my stuffing. This is paneer or cottage cheese cut into small cubes like this. One small tomato cut into chunks. Red and green bell peppers cut into small cubes. Some finely chopped onions and the finely chopped cucumber. Now take a mixing bowl and add all the ingredients one by one. I have kept my toppings simple but included colorful vegetables that will make my cucumber cups healthy and satisfying at the same time. Here goes some finely chopped coriander. Next goes the juice of half a lemon. For seasoning, I will add 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes or as per your taste. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Some crushed Himalayan pink salt, you can use normal salt also. And some freshly crushed black pepper. And now with the help of a spoon and fork, mix the seasonings well with the toppings so that they are well combined. Alright, mixing is done and now time to fill the cucumber cups with the delicious and healthy stuffings. You can make variations or include toppings of your choice, which may include tofu, stir-fried mushrooms, minced chicken or chicken chunks, prawns and tuna as well. And trust me, this is a very satisfying and healthy snack and can be made quickly with easily available ingredients at home. So these are ready and now time to serve them. And here are our super healthy and delicious stuffed cucumber cups on the serving platter. Enjoy them as a snack or starter or as a salad. So friends, I hope you will try this quick and easy stuffed cucumber recipe. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more such interesting and healthy recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.